Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to move the rear taillight on a 2009 Honda Accord two-door coupe. Start out by opening up the trunk, and we're going to have to remove these two clips to gain access to the back side of the taillight. So using a flathead, just turn the clips counterclockwise and then pull them out. And then next, just pull back this trunk pointer. And behind here, we have a couple plugs we need to pull out. Just push on the tab and pull directly back. And then we have 4 8mm nuts that need to come off. And the next thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to peel away just the half of the bumper. We're not gonna take the bumper all the way off, but we're gonna have to take it partially off. There's 2 bolts that are underneath the cover here that hold the taillight on. So come around to the edge of the bumper here, and we have 3 Phillips screws that we need to take out. Next, take a small flathead and we're going to pop off this cap. And then using a 10mm socket, take out this rear bolt. Next, grab a hold of the side of the bumper and just pull directly out, releasing it from the clip. And you can kind of push down on it right here, and it gives you just enough room to get these 2 10mm bolts out. And once you have those out, you can pull directly back on the taillight and it comes right out. That's it, guys. Taillight's out. Thanks for watching.